Hey everyone, ever get sick of clicking through folder after folder to get to your scriptable objects? Well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. With the Scriptable Object Organizer, you can easily edit the objects you're looking for without clicking through tons of subfolders. Usage is as simple as opening up the SOO window in the top of the editor. Select Window, then Nocturnal Wisp, then SOO. This opens up a window in which you will be able to edit multiple different scriptable objects at once. In the bottom left, you will see an object icon. Select that, and then select the folder that you would like to view the scriptable objects in. I will select the General Assets folder for this project because I don't have a ton of scriptable objects yet. After loading in these scriptable objects, you can then view all of your objects in a list. This easy to access list shows your scriptable objects based on its type. So if I select Action, then I am able to select each and every single one of those scriptable objects that I'm currently working with. As you can see, all of the fields are listed in this menu to the right. You can quickly edit these fields using an organized list as opposed to clicking through a large number of subfolders. Trying to manage many objects is always difficult, and I created this tool in order to make it a lot easier for your projects. Check out the tool on the Unity Asset Store or on itch.io. A future feature I am looking into is using a filter for selecting different scriptable objects. Let me know if you have any new features you'd be interested in seeing in this tool. Thank you so much for watching.